Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonali Bhardwaj. Today I will show you how you can do cleanup at home. So let's get started. Firstly, use your favorite cleanser or face wash according to your skin. Here I am using Kochar Aroma Magic Vit cleanser and it's for oily skin. Massage it just for 2 minutes. Clean it with damp tissue or any towel as I am using here. I am using gel based exfoliator as I always prefer mild scrub for my skin. You can massage it for 2 to 5 minutes. Exfoliation is very important. Our skin exfoliates naturally every 20 to 25 days. Here I am using high frequency machine as I always use it during my cleanups. I will use it for just 5 minutes. It treats and reduces acne, shrink enlarge pores, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. You can also skip this step. Using Kochar Aroma Magic Vitamin C Whitening Gel. You can also use aloe vera gel. I have combination skin, my C zone is normal and my T zone is oily. So I don't use cream or even cream based products on my face. I only prefer gel based products. Massage in circular motion till gel absorbs into your skin. My skin is feeling dry these days, so I will prefer a gel based face mask. I am using Oxylife Prowhite gel mask. Now you have to keep it about 15 minutes. Let it absorb into your skin, then gently remove it. You can see the result, how clear, glowy and hydrated my skin is looking. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also follow me on Instagram. The link to my Insta ID is given below in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Bye.